Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today, I'm going to share with you my absolute favorite recipe for making the creamiest, most delicious macaroni and cheese you've ever tasted. Trust me, once you try this version, you'll never go back to the boxed stuff again. Let me tell you a quick story. When I was in college, I practically lived on instant mac and cheese. You know the kind, that bright orange powder mixed with milk? But everything changed when my grandmother visited and saw my sad dinner situation. She sat me down and taught me her secret family recipe, and it completely transformed my comfort food game. So here's what you'll need. Elbow macaroni, butter, all-purpose flour, whole milk, sharp cheddar cheese, and a mix of other cheeses like Gruyere or Monterey Jack. The secret to amazing mac and cheese isn't just one cheese. It's a blend that creates layers of flavor. First, cook your pasta in well-salted water until it's just shy of al dente. Here's a pro tip. Save some of that starchy pasta water. It's liquid gold for adjusting your sauce later. While the pasta cooks, let's make what French cuisine calls a bechamel sauce. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Melt butter in a pan, add flour to make a roux, and slowly whisk in warm milk. Keep stirring until it thickens. This is your base for cheese sauce perfection. Now comes the fun part, adding the cheese. But here's where most people go wrong. Don't dump it all in at once. Add it gradually, stirring constantly off the heat. This prevents the sauce from becoming grainy or breaking. Want to take it to the next level? Add a touch of mustard powder and a pinch of nutmeg. These secret ingredients enhance the cheese flavor without making their presence known. And if you're feeling fancy, top it with buttery breadcrumbs and bake until golden brown. Remember my grandmother's most important lesson: patience is key. Don't rush the sauce and don't skimp on the cheese. The result should be creamy, smooth, and absolutely indulgent. You know what's beautiful about this dish? It's forgiving. You can experiment with different cheese combinations, add some crispy bacon or stir in some caramelized onions. Make it your own. So there you have it. The path to mac and cheese nirvana. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or trying to impress someone special, this recipe will never let you down. Now get in that kitchen and start creating some cheesy magic.